So we are starting our day off with a little bit of breakfast because that is the most important meal of the day, and we're going to read for 30 minutes, so yeah. I'll be it. I'm so excited. We just got some panda and we're going to Buddha right now to kick back and read. I just found another spider just hanging above like my roof, like right next to my rear view mirror, and it's just like, dude, what the? But as I'm rambling, I am going to show you what Buddha looks like, and we're pulling up right now, so take a look. This is the entranceway, and it's like a one-way street, so this fucker better pull over. Thank you, ma'am. Alright, I just got to Buddha right now. This is where the waterfall is at. It's just the overall spot. It's beautiful. Woo! So scared. I am going to attempt to go down these now, just for you guys, with the phone in my hand. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall. I don't think I've ever done this one-handed, so... Oh god. Oh god. Ugh. Ugh. Ah! 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 Holy shit! I almost fell. Alright, we are good. We're on a safe, scary pedestal. Ugh. Thank God for this fucking rail right here that like ends. Woo! We made it! Alright, let's go up it now. Fuck, I'm gonna have to switch hands. Oh god. One hand. I don't know what to do. Oh god, that was the most sketchy transition of my life. Look how I'm holding right now. Thank God. Oh my god. Ah! Alright, now I need to go fucking eat and just be by myself for a while. That was way too fucking scary. Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna make you guys sit down and read this with me, but it's a pretty good book. You guys should look into Sex and Dollars by Dr. Marina Adshade. Alright, a really cool thing I liked about this book is if you're not financially making it, chances are you are more prone to have sex because you are willing to risk more. You have less to lose than someone that has a lot of money. Alright, now that we are done here, I am going to head back into town and see what the fuck Taylor is doing. Got the homies rolling out. You guys are on YouTube.
Oh, we are.
Yeah, what's up, Chance?
What's good with you? What's good with you? What's good?
What's up, Mark?
What's good, brother?
What's up, man? You! Alright, so we are at Sunny Cove. I'm about to cruise down to meet up with those guys right there behind me. And yeah, this is going to be our ticket spot for now. And so pretty much after Sunny Cove, everyone was drunk and we went over to the Capitol Skate Park. So that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to end it out with the couple clips I filmed us skating. So subscribe and like.